It has been great. The 2 days, the trainers were phenomenal. The course content was good. The leader handbook, especially, is very, very well prepared. I was impressed, with the trainer's ability to resolve questions, all kind of queries they were able to answer very, very well, satisfactorily. And then, of course, the core concept of servant leadership is an amazing one. I wasn't formally introduced to this leadership style. I have read few things, articles about it, probably a book or something, but then uh, understanding this concept at depth, with all the frameworks, all the toolkits, I would mention, it's been my first time and it's really been amazing. Yes, definitely it will help any organization, especially an organization like us, which is more driven by people, right?
Absolutely.
Where human capital is what we work with day in day out. So definitely it will help. Yes, definitely. So I would recommend this to each and every aspiring leader, not only existing leaders but the
Yes.
aspiring leaders of the team. Probably, to everyone in the team. Why not, to the junior most member, because he
Yes.
or she is a leader in herself, right? She is leading her life, her family. So why not?